Welcome students. Welcome to the video class. Today we'll do magnetic field at the center of a circular loop. This is a 3 marks question. Again, magnetic field at the center of a circular loop, or you can say magnetic field at the center of a circular current carrying conductor. For that, let us consider a circular current carrying conductor carrying current I in clockwise direction. Let the radius of the circular wire is R. To find the magnetic field at the center, that is O, let us take a small length dl. Let us take a small length dl of this conductor. So this small length dl is carrying current I. So it is a current element. So it will be producing magnetic field near it. So what will be the magnitude of magnetic field at the center, which is r distance from it? So as per this Biot-Savart's law, the small magnetic field produced at r distance from the current element will be, that is mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta divided by r square. ठीक है? Okay. तो यदि आम देखा Biot-Savart's law थिला, तो करंट I थिला, small length dl थिला, distance is r. So at point P, which is r distance from it, the small magnetic field is dB. So the angle between dl and r thila theta. So 80. So this is my r, this is dl. What will be the angle between dl and r? Jodi ame gote circle naba, the normal which is passing through the center is always perpendicular to the tangent. So 80, same thing, small length dl hochi. So this dl is perpendicular to r. We can say, so the dl is perpendicular to r. So theta r kete pakeva? It is 90. So that is mu naught by 4 pi I dl. Theta is 90. So it is sin 90 divided by r square. ठीक है. So that is mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. So dB is the small magnetic field produced at the center due to the current element or current I flowing in the small length. To find the net magnetic field due to the circular loop, we have to integrate across its circumference. Again, small length dl carrying current I pi, the small magnetic field at the center is given by this. यदि हमें टोटल circular conductor magnetic field बाहर करें at the center, we have to integrate across the circumference of the circle. ठीक है, integrate करिए. So that is, यदि integrate करिए across the circumference, so it will be 0 to 2 pi r mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square, and dB, that is from 0 to b. Mu naught by 4 pi I r square constant, because r is constant, I is constant, mu naught by 4 pi is constant. So that is mu naught by 4 pi I by r square is constant. This is dl, that is from 0 to 2 pi r. ठीक है, dB that is b. dB लिखियो पर लिखियो dB 0 to b. ठीक है, तो dB that is b, that is from 0 to b, and this is mu naught I by 4 pi r square. dl L, that is from 0 to 2 pi r. ठीक है ओके ये लिखिदेव तो ये केते हम दैट इज b माइनस 0 ये म्यू नॉट आई बाय 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर म्यू नॉट आई बाय 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर ठीक है ये l केते हम 2 पाई आर माइनस 0 दैट इज 2 पाई आर माइनस 0 तो ये 2 पाई की 4 पाई कटिबो एंड r को r स्क्वायर कटिबो तो रहिबो केते म्यू नॉट आई दिस इज 2 r ठीक है so what is the magnitude of magnetic field the magnitude of magnetic field the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of a circular current carrying conductor carrying current I having radius r is equal to mu naught I by 2r mu naught I by 2r okay then how to find the direction so the direction can be found by right hand thumb rule so jodi suppose if the current is flowing in clockwise direction I may take your right hand curl the fingers along the direction of current a direction jauchi so curl your finger along the direction of current so the thumb gives the direction of magnetic field again curl your finger को कौन करिया जो direction current flow करूची से direction में curl करियो एटा एटी कोन अछि clockwise अछि curl कले the thumb gives the direction of magnetic field तो कौन होबे एटी that is inward बुझलो ना the thumb gives the direction of magnetic field okay gives the direction of magnetic field ठीक है again curl your finger along the direction of current suppose current is flowing in this direction अतरा कौन करिया curl करिया like this the thumb gives the direction of magnetic field कौन होबो that is outward ठीक है magnetic field at the center is outward तो एटी कौन अछि that is inward so the magnetic field at the direction of magnetic field at the center is in inward direction ठीक है next we will do a question based on the formula ठीक है before doing this question तो हम माने करिथिले derive कले कि if a circular current carrying conductor is there carrying current I then the magnetic field at the center of the circular current carrying conductor is B is equal to that is mu naught I by 2r but if the circular wire is having n number of turns तो सही केस रे कोन होबो तो B will be that is mu naught ni divided by 2r गोटे लूप पई this is the formula यदि n number of loops थिबो तो सही केस रे B dash become mu naught ni by 2r n will be multiplied ठीक है so the question is consider a tightly wound 100 turns coil of radius 10 cm carrying a current 1 ampere what is the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of the coil so in this question so it is given n is 100 there is 100 turns of a circular coil ठीक है so n is how much 100 current is how much 1 ampere and what is the radius radius is equal to that is 10 cm, ठीक है, और that is 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So B is equal to how much? Magnetic field at the center. Okay. That is mu naught Ni divided by 2r. तो हमें जानिए that is mu naught by 4 pi is equal to 10 to the power minus 7. तो mu naught by 2 कहता होगा that is 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. ठीक है, तो ये पकेगा mu naught by 2 जाएगा that is 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. N is how much? 100. I is how much? 1. R is how much? 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. ठीक है, 0 0 cut. This is 2 pi 80 10 to the power minus 7 10 10 to the minus 6 2 gole minus 4. That is 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. यदि हमें current clockwise नीचे, curl your finger in the direction of current. The thumb gives the direction. The direction is inward direction. Next we will do a question cum theory, and this is important. The question is, find the magnetic field at the center of an arc of length L with sustained an angle theta at the center, and it carries a current I. So a arc is in the conductor of length L is in the form of a arc. Again, a conductor of length L is in the form of a arc, and this conductor carries a current I. So if you say arc, what is an arc? This is circle होगा, so this is a arc of a circle. तो center chord थी वो at the middle. So this is the center of the arc. The radius of the arc is r, and this arc sustains an angle theta at the center. We have to find the magnitude of magnetic field due to the arc or the conductor in the form of arc carrying current I at its center. A arc I at the center, we are going to find the magnetic field because the arc is in the form, the conductor is in the form of arc and carries a current I. Okay. Let us take a small length dl of this arc. Small length dl of this arc. Let this small length dl sustain an angle d theta at the center. Again, take a small length dl of this arc. So this small length dl carries current I, so it is a current element. So the magnetic field due to the current element at the point O, at the center is O. At the center O is given by, that is dB is equal to, that is mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta divided by r square. Again, the small length dl carries current I, so it is a current element. So according to Biot-Savart's law, the small magnetic field dB produced at the center is given by mu naught of pi dl sin theta by r square. So 8 here, this is my r and this is my small length dl. The angle कितना बच्चे 90. तो 8 here theta जाएगा कितना पकेगा, that is mu naught by 4 pi, that is I dl sin 90 divided by r square. ठीक है, तो sin 90 is 1. तो ये कितना होगा, that is mu naught by 4 pi, that is I dl by r square. Again, let this small length dl sustain an angle d theta at the center. ठीक है, तो यदि हमें करिबा this, the small length is dl this is angle d theta, and this is your r. What is the relation between these three? ଆମେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପଢିଛୁ ଏଇଟା, ଠିକ ଅଛି। The relation between them is, this is L is equal to r theta थिला, ଏଇଠି କ'ଣ ହବ, r is equal to dl into theta, भूल कहली। This dl is equal to r d theta, this is small length हमर थिला L is equal to r theta, L नहीं dl होची, r this is theta जगह d theta. What is the relation between these three? This dl is equal to r into d theta. तो dl जगह कौन पके r d theta at this point, ठीक है। तो कौन होगा, that is mu naught by 4 pi I dl जगह कौन पके r d theta divided by r square. तो r cancel आसो रहबो केते, that is mu naught by 4 pi, that is I d theta by r, ठीक है। तो this is the magnetic field at the center due to the small length dl carrying current I, ठीक है। यदि total length ପାଇଁ, total arc ପାଇଁ center over a magnetic field बाहर करे, we have to integrate this term. जो इंटीग्रेट करिबा तो dB टा केतळ होबा, that is from 0 to b, एठी वेरिएबल इज थीटा, तो लेंथ टा में थीटा रे करिबा, तो केते होबा, that is this is mu naught by 4 pi I d theta divided by r square. Again I am saying, sorry, r. Again mu naught by 4 pi I by r is constant, variable is theta. तो हमें कौन करिबा, this length टा in terms of theta रे नबा, the total angle is theta, we have to integrate from 0 to theta, ठीक है। Okay, so this is mu naught by 4 pi I by r बाहरला 0 to theta, this is d theta, ठीक है। We can say this is mu naught I by 4 pi r d theta रा केते हो theta, that is from 0 to theta, db रो केते हो, that is b, that is from 0 to b. So b minus 0 is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi r theta minus 0. तो कहता है लिखियो, this b is equal to, that is mu naught I theta divided by 4 pi r. So this is the magnitude of magnetic field at the center due to the arc, ठीक है। What is the direction, current कोड जाउची, it is clockwise direction, magnetic field कौन होगा, inward direction, तो cross. But we will not remember this formula in this way, हम केमती remember करियो, okay. We can write this as b is equal to mu naught by 2r theta by 2 pi. Again, इठी mu naught I 2r रखले और रहला केते, that is 2 pi, इठी theta टा, this arc sustain an angle theta at the center, ठीक है। तो theta, this theta is, जेतरा हम arc लिखिया, arc is of a total circle angle केते, that is 2 pi. So the arc sustain an angle, this is theta, out of the total angle 2 pi, ठीक है। से तो एमती मन रखिया, यदि arc sustain करछ angle theta at the center, the magnetic field is b is equal to mu naught 2 theta by 2 pi. Direction तो हमें कॉल। Next we will do the special cases of this formula. Okay, special cases. So we have derived that the magnitude of magnetic field due to a arc carrying current I at the center is B is equal to mu naught I by 2 or theta by 2 pi. Theta is the angle made by the arc at the center, at its center. ठीक है? If the arc is a full circle, in that case this theta is equal to 2 pi. Okay, so what will be the magnitude? So B is equal to, that is mu naught I by, this is 2r, this is 2 pi by 2 pi. So B कितना होगा, that is mu naught I by 2r. So এটা আমি derive করছিলাম. Okay, no? What is the direction? Current also, that is clockwise, direction is inward. Second case, if the arc is a semicircle, carrying current I, so in that case theta is equal to pi. So B कितना होगा, तो B is equal to, this is mu naught I by 2r, theta जाएगा कितना, this is pi by 2 pi. So pi cancel, ରହିଲା 2. So this is B is equal to, that is mu naught I by 4r. What is the direction? Curl your finger along the direction of current. The direction is inward. So the magnetic field produced at the center of the semicircular wire is mu naught I by 4r. The direction produced is inward. ठीक है? Case 3. If the arc is a quadrant of a circle carrying current I, so in that case theta is how much? This is, the quadrant subtend an angle 90. So theta is pi by 2. So B कितना होगा, that is mu naught I by 2r, that is pi by 2 divided by 2 pi. ठीक है? So this is mu naught I by 2r, this is pi कटला, this is 1 by 4. So that is mu naught I by 8r. So for a quadrant of a circle carrying current I, the magnitude of magnetic field is mu naught I by 8r. What is the direction? It is inward. Case 4. If the arc is in the form of 3 quadrant of a circle, so in that case this theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. ठीक है? So this theta 3 pi by 2, magnetic field कौन होगा, that is mu naught I by 2r, that is 3 pi by 2 divided by 2 pi. ठीक है? And this is pi cancel, so this becomes mu naught I by 2r, this is 3 by 4. So this is mu naught I by, okay, that is 3 mu naught I by 8r. Okay, the magnetic field at the center is 3 mu naught I by 8r. ठीक है? तो 80 current होची, that is anti-clockwise direction. So magnetic field कौन होगा, that is outward direction. So it is outward direction. Next we will do some question based on the formula. ठीक है? The question is, a long wire having a semicircular loop of radius r carries a current I. Find the magnetic field due to the entire loop at center O. So this is a long wire, so that means it is an infinite wire. एपटे भी infinite थो, सेपटे भी infinite थो, and this portion is semicircular. ठीक है? So we can divide this conductor into 3 parts. That is first conductor, second conductor, and third conductor. ठीक है? So it carries a current I. So if you take the first conductor at the center of the semicircle, because as per the question you have to find the magnetic field due to the entire loop at point O. If you see the point O here, the first conductor, again for the first conductor The point O is along the axis. So magnetic field due to the first conductor at point O is 0. तो फर्स्ट कंडक्टर को जो देखिए, the magnetic field, let us say this is B1, so it is 0 at the center O because it is along, the current is along the axis, ठीक कुछ. If you take the second conductor, it is a semicircle. The magnetic field at the semicircle, okay, it is a semicircle. The magnetic field at the center of the semicircle will be, let us say the magnetic field is B2, that is mu naught I by 4r. ठीक है. If you take the third conductor, point O lies along the axis, तो magnetic field कितना होगा 0. So let us say the magnetic field due to the third conductor at point O is B3. So magnetic field is 0 because the current flows along the axis. ठीक है. So net magnetic field कितना होगा, that is B net is equal, that is B1 plus B2 plus B3. That is how much? That is mu naught I by 4r. Okay. ठीक है, because B1 is 0, B3 is 0, so B2 is mu naught I by 4r. ठीक है. So what is the direction? That is inward. ठीक है. Next question is, the current I flows in the sides of an equilateral triangle of side length A. Find the direction and magnitude of magnetic field at the center. This is also an important question. ठीक है. तो से कहिछि current I flows in the sides of an equilateral triangle. ठीक है. The current is I and the side length is A. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degrees. Let us assume this is the first conductor, this is the second conductor, and this is the third conductor. So since we are going to find the net magnetic field at the center of the equilateral triangle, let us assume this is the first conductor, this is the second conductor, and this is the third conductor, and each conductor individually will produce magnetic field at the center. ठीक है. So for the first conductor, let us find the magnetic field for conductor 1. ठीक है. So for the first conductor, center distance भी जानिने, and यदि हमें देखिबा this is to the side, तो केते एंगल करछि सेंटर रे perpendicular distance रो, that is eta केते हबो, if this is 60, so this is total angle is 120, so this is 60, this is 60, so that means alpha 1 alpha 2 is equal to 60 degree. ठीक है. So let us say this is A, this is B, and this is C. Let us assume this D. So for the first conductor, हमें perpendicular distance रो value जानिने. ठीक है. Only we know the side length. ठीक है. Let us say this is O. तो ये जो triangle रे, this is O and this is A, this is D, and it has a half of the edge length, so it have A by 2, and এটা हमको दरकार perpendicular distance, तो एंगल के तो 60. ठीक है. तो यदि हमें 1060 करिबा, तो 1060 is equal to height by base. Height is how much? A by 2, base is x. 1060 is how much? Root 3 is equal to A by 2x. So x is how much? So x is, that is A by 2 root 3. So that means the perpendicular distance x is a by 2 root 3. Value पके दो. So this is a by 2 root 3. ठीक है. तो formula पकेगा. As per the formula, so for the first conductor B1 is mu naught I by 4 pi. A is how much? Perpendicular distance is a by 2 root 3. Okay. Phi is sin phi 1 कहते हैं 60 degree. So that is sin 60 plus sin phi 2 is also 60. So 2 कटिबो एठी. So that is mu naught I root 3 ऊपर को जीवो root 3 by this is 2 pi a. Sin 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 is how much? Root 3. This is mu naught I by 2 pi a root 3. यार value होगा root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is how much? 3. So this is 3 mu naught I by 2 pi a. What is the direction of magnetic field? The direction of magnetic field is inward. It is inward. ठीक है. तो same thing second conductor को नवा. यदि second conductor को नवा same thing. तो हमें इम्ति करिबा. This is the perpendicular distance. Okay नहीं. तो same thing एटा भी 60 आसीबो एटा भी 60. So for the second conductor also alpha 1 alpha 2 is sorry phi 1 phi 2 is 60 and distance में the same also. So we can say so B2, let us say B2 is the magnetic field due to the second conductor. B2 रो magnitude में the समान आछो. We can say B2 is equal to B1. Direction कौन होगा? Current एपट जो ए पॉइंट magnetic field is inward. So same thing direction में the same. इस third conductor बाहर करिबा. So let us say this B3 is the magnetic field due to the third conductor. So एठी में the same thing 60 आसीबो 60 60 direction कौन आसीबो? यदि एमती करिबा it is also inward direction. We can say this B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3. ठीक है. So net magnetic field कौन होगा? The net magnetic field at point or at the center will be B net is equal to that is B1 plus B2 plus B3, or that is B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3. So we can say this is B1 plus B1 plus B1. That is how much? 3B1. 3 question. B1 is how much? This is 3 times 3 mu naught I by this is 2 pi a, or that is equal to that is 9 mu naught I by 2 pi a. What is the direction? That is inward direction. Okay. The net magnetic field at the center of the equilateral triangle is 9 mu naught I by 2 pi a. And the direction is the resultant magnetic field direction is inward. Okay. The next question is, figure shows a current loop having two circular segments and joined by two radial lines. Find the magnetic field at the center O. So this is a current loop having two circular segments which sustain an angle 60 degree. The first circular segment have a radius B. Second circular segment have a radius A. But it is having 4 conductors. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find the net magnetic field due to the circular loop, due to the loop, current loop at the center O. So let us assume this is first conductor, this is second conductor, this is third, and this is fourth conductor. So individual all conductors from magnetic field bahaर at the center O. So if you consider the first and the third conductor, the point O lies along the axis. Similarly, for the third conductor also, the point O lies along the axis. So for the conductor 1 and 3 magnetic field is 0. So let us assume B1 is the magnetic field due to the first conductor, and B3 is the magnetic field due to the second conductor. So both the magnetic field both the magnetic field due to the two conductors at the center O is 0, because the point lies along the axis of the conductor, along the axis. Okay, for the second conductor, okay, theta is 60, and this r is, that is, distance is b. So let the magnetic field due to the second conductor is b2. So it is mu naught I by 2, r is b, theta is pi by 3, 60, pi by 3 by 2 pi. So it is mu naught I by 2b 1 by 6. So that is equal to mu naught I by 12b. What is the direction? Current clockwise ଅଛି, तो magnetic field कौन होगा? That is inward. तो magnetic field होगा inward. ठीक है. Next fourth conductor पे बात करिए. Okay. Okay. For the fourth conductor, theta is 60. This radius is a. R is equal to a. So let the magnetic field due to the fourth conductor is B4. So B4 is equal to mu naught I by 2 a pi by 3 divided by 2 pi. ठीक है. तो कहते हैं it is equal to, this B4 is equal to, this is mu naught I by 12a. What is the direction? It is current also, that is anti-clockwise. So direction कौन होगा? That is outward. So this is outward. like total magnetic field कौन होगा? Total magnetic field B net is equal to, this is B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4. But if you see, B1 B3 is 0, B2 is inward direction, B4 is outward direction. So this is inward, this is outward. So subtraction होगा. So and second thing, 80, this B is inversely proportional to 1 by r. So radius छोटो थिले बीटा बड़ो. So 80, A is smaller than B. If A is smaller than B, that means B4 is greater than B3. B4 is greater than B3. So 80 कौन होगा? That is 0 plus B. This is minus कर दो inward direction, plus 0 plus B4. So this is B4 minus B2. B4 is how much? That is mu naught I by 12a. Mu naught I by 12a minus mu naught I by 12b. That is equal to mu naught I by 12 1 by a plus, 1 by a minus 1 by b. So this is B net. What is the direction of B net? Since eta border B4 is greater than B2, the resultant direction is along the direction of the bigger vector. That means B4. So B4 direction कौन? Outward. So resultant direction कौन होगा? That is outward. ठीक है. Resultant magnetic field is outward direction.